Hi guys, my name is Ifani and you're welcome to Tutor Tech 005. We are still on the topic of how to create an image using your cell phone. Yes, you can design and create an amazing 3D image or picture using your cell phone. And in our previous videos, we've talked about how that is possible, and we are using an application known as pixellab. So I recommend you go to the Google Play and download the application. For this video, we are going straight into the practical of how to do it. Please stay tuned as we proceed. Now, this is pixellab. This is the display, the layout. This is how it is when you open it. This is how it's going to be the default, the first page, the first thing you're going to see. Now the application, just like every other application, has symbol and sign. Some of those keys or symbols or signs are what helps you in achieving your aim, that is designing, creating a good image. Now with these keys, I'll explain what keys and what WDA, work display area it is in the previous video. So if you still don't get it, I think I suggest you should rewatch or go back to the previous videos to refresh your brain or memory. So here we are going to design, and I'm going to design, and I'm going to show you one design that I did. Alright, here, this is our logo. The first one you can see here is the one on top here, this one. This is our logo. Everyone knows it. I typically designed it with this app, but not all of them. There's a way I did it. I'm not going to tell anyone, so you not go ahead to steal or to go ahead to redesign my logo. But I'm going to show you and I'll tell you how. Alright, here's the logo, and I assembled it. I used this application to design it. Right here, this logo here and everything and the writer here are all done with this application. Is it not amazing? Alright, but I'm not going to dwell much on this my logo part, so that you not go ahead or you not go to duplicate it. So I am going to go straight to the test part. If you look at the test part here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel here and all this. I use this app to write it, and if you're looking at it, it will be like something maybe you did professional, something you did with a bigger device like a system or a bigger application. No, it was with this application that I achieved this, and I'm going to show you how that was possible. Now I already have my logo here. This is my logo here. I already designed it and set and saved in a separate picture. So I just imported it. Alright, sorry, I'm going to move it right straight into the application pixellab to continue working on it. And how do I do it? I'll click on share here, and then to pixellab, as you can just see here. I'll just click on it here, and then it will take me to here. This is the first page. Here will allow you to zoom in or cut as you want the size of the image that you want to design. This is the first place. This is where you set it. But if you want, you can, in fact, this is where you set the size of the image that you want to design. Here I want the whole, then I can from here draw it down up, and I can toggle, I can change the size of the image I want to design, the height, the width, depending on what I'm doing or what I want to achieve. So I will just go straight. I will click on this mark here, and then this is the this is the WDA, my work display area, and it's showing the logo, and it's the logo that I want to work on. Here is the logo here. So all right, let's proceed. Now, like I said, this is just the look that I want to work on, and I shared it or I imported it. With this application, you'll be able to import any image you want from anywhere. Just if you click here, you can add from your gallery. Look at it down here, second to the last, or you can, if you just go through the application, you'll be able to see that you can add image, already pre-existing image, into here and continue working on it. So what I want to do is to add that right up that I already did, that says please subscribe. Okay, let's go ahead. Here I'm going to click. Okay, I just clicked on the alpha A symbol and it brought out these two options, sub options, text or quote. Here I'm giving the option either to go with the quotes, the pre-existing quotes that are here, or to write my own text. So here I am going to choose, okay, look what I'm saying, this text or the quote, depending on the one that I want. So here I want to use my own text, so I'm just going to click on this text, and a new text space will be here, just like here. So what I will do is I'll just click on this edit right on the bottom of the application here. This is the edit. Once I click on this edit, it will be able to give me the access to edit this new text here. So click on edit to be able to allow me to type using my keyboard what I want, and just like what I typed, I just type please. I'm very bad at typing sometimes. So, but anyways, I'm still going to type. Okay, as you can see, I'm done with the typing. So here on the top, I'll just click OK here. And this is the text. Please click on the subscribe button to get more of our videos. Now, after typing, the whole text is going to look very raw and unprofessional. So with the right tools, with this tools here at the bottom and every other place, you'll be able to make it to look more professional and more enticing to the eyes. So from these words here, I'm going to use these tools here to make it look more good. Alright, the first thing I will do is I will go here right on this type part. Here we give you the access to choose from the pre-designed options. Now when I click on the style here, okay, there's something I'm forgetting. Now when you click, now remember I said that this is your WDA here, your work display area here. Now when you click here after typing the first your text, when you click outside from the text, it will highlight the text, which is to say that as the text are like this right now, as the text are like this now, they are highlighted. So whatever you're going to do to it now from the tools option, from here and everything is going to work out. But let's assume if I click here, the text is no longer highlighted, so I will not be able to edit it. Just like in the system applications, if I want to work on this text, I'll first of all highlight it like this. So I'll go to my style as I was saying before, and then on this browser here I'll click, and then look, these are the styles, the designer styles here. Now these are the designing styles that comes with the application. So for me, I do go with this down one depending on what I want to achieve here. I do go with these ones, but you can choose any of them depending on your taste. Now if I click on this sample one here, this down here, you see it has not changed the text and it's looking more good and better. So the next thing is for me to scroll sideways where I will change the size, where I will change the font. Yeah, I'll just scroll to look for the font option. Yeah, here, font option here. I'll click. I like using this amaranth bold. So I will here from the options, for font options, I'll look for amaranth bold, and if you look down, you see that amaranth bold is right here. So this is amaranth bold here. So what I do is I will just click on it here and then OK down. You see it's starting to look, yeah, it's starting to look more nice. And the next thing I did, it was up before, so I had to click on it, the text, and I can shift it, to the position I want. I can drag and drop it. Yeah, drag and drop. I can drag it to anywhere that I want. Alright, I want it to be down. Now, having changed the font style, the next thing I will do is to change the color or to put more designs. Like what the message I'm passing here is for someone to click on this my subscribe button. So I will want to make the subscribe button to be different from the rest of the button. So right here, I can actually I can highlight only one word from this text here and change the color. And what I do is I'll just scroll and check for the color option. Okay, yeah, here I'll change for the color. Okay, if once I click on the color, it will bring out the default colors, and then I already have these okay, I'll go down here and highlight on the word that I want to change here. This is what I want to change, and I want it to look more attractive. But I see what I did. I just highlighted the words here. I highlighted on this subscribe that I wanted to change the color, and then I clicked on this red here, and then I changed here this subscribe only it, because I highlighted only in the text. Okay, having done that, I'll now click OK. Having done that, the next step is to change the size. That is, if I think the size is okay. So the next thing I will do is, now this is the most important thing when you are formatting a text or when you are designing a text. As the texts are like this, it's not ordered bold or sharp. So after everything, after the whole procedure, the next thing you will do is to click on this inner shadow option. Look at it here. With this feature, we give your text a professional look. Alright, let's go ahead. If I click on this inner shadow, I will enable it here, and then I will choose the color. I already have a black background, so I would want my text to be shining more. So I'll choose this black white color. If I just when I click the white color, okay, let me undo. Alright, I'm going to change this the inner shadow. Alright, I will enable it first, then select the white color background here, and then I will now go to this blob radius. I will increase all of them. Yes, I will increase it to the highest, to the highest, to the maximum. That is 25 here. Now look at this text here. It's looking more sharp here. I'll click OK. Now you can see that the text is looking more professional right now. Here, the text here. All these tests are more professional. Yes, and that's how you get your test formatted and get an amazing and a good professional write-up to your design or your image. And after this, you can be able to save it, your work here at this top here, the top here. Now if you look at this top here, you can be able to do that. So I'll click on here and then save as image. If I want to, if I click save as project, it just store it in here. It will store it to my memory, and then that will give me the access, the chance to edit it further if I want to. But if I save it as an image, I'm not going to edit it again, except I want to do a fresh work. So here I want to save it as an image. Here, once I click on it, it will pop out saving option, page display. Here you can choose your image format, either JPG or PNG, and then change your dimensions, whether default, customized, low, ultra, depending on the one you want. And then you click on save to gallery to render image, and then save right there. Wow. And once it's saved, you can now go to your phone gallery. Some phones create default. Some of the phones create the application creates a default folder where it starts its work. So here now have my work. This is what I was talking about, and this is the result. And the beauty of this application is when you work on your picture after creating your image, it takes time, like 20 to 30 minutes, and then you now see everything that you've designed. So after designing your work, you give it a little time and then come back to your work, and you see by then it will have been done. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Just like as you can see on the screen,